Hi, today we're at the Good TV Media app launch. This is it. And this evening we have a band playing as well. The band is called Stream of Praise. The core band performing. And I'm in charge of designing the audio system for this concert. Sitting in this system is the Exodus Odyssey Crystal Audiophile mixing console. It has got a 52 channel input and direct outs. Apart from this mixing console, we have the Revelation Crystal Audiophile line array at the front of house. We have one on the right of the hall and on the left side of the hall. It consists of one sub, 18-inch sub and 4 level 12 module. We do not use any front field or side field for this hall. We are able to achieve equal volume from the front to the back of the hall. Let's take a look at our outboard gears. We have the Galilei sequencer. We have the Eternity compressor. We also have the Destiny equalizers. I use these graphic equalizers to adjust and tweak the fallbacks frequencies on the stage. We use the Gecko Passion wireless for the VIP and for the singers, for the bands. These are the receiver. We do not use any fin. Now to connect the entire system, we have the truth cables. We use the T3 and the T2, both for signal and also for speaker, and the Olympian audiophile interconnects. The snake cable as well. This is the stage setup. On the drum, we have the 1820 satellite 1820S. This is the active condenser that we use for miking the drums. We use the triangle technique. Let's take a look here. On the kick, this is the Gecko Passion MP830S. It's a super cardioid dynamic, and this is a multi-purpose microphone. We use it for vocals as well as instrumentation as well. This is the bass setup. We have the Gecko AS Rock DI. We have the truth cables, and this is the Legends BGT60 bass amplifier for the band. Now let's move over to the other side to take a look at the guitar setup as well as the keyboard setup. We have the BGT15, Legends BGT15 for its bass amplifier, but we use this for the keyboard as well as the acoustic guitar referencing. This is the Legends EGV50 valve amplifier. We use this for the electric guitar. This is the setup. We use a MP830 for miking up the cabinets, and again it's connected using the truth cable. For the acoustic guitar setup, we have the acoustic guitar linked to this DI. As you can see, this is the acoustic guitar channel, and this part here is linked to the Legends BGT15. To power the floor wedges on the stage, we have 2 units of AG400H, the Genesis Crystal Audiophile amplifier.
在 Sibu 继续的下去 ，Amen。你们说的哦。好，那你们要继续敬拜下去哦 ，Amen。让我们张开口，一起来，让我们张开口，举起手。